shut up yourself! Not again.
Having a good time? Yeah, great. I'm glad you could make it to my party. Well, thanks for inviting me, Neil. You're not just to go out these days. Great. Excuse me, I'll just have to go and circulate. Catch you later, okay? Neil, where's the booze? Yeah, hey, Pete! Where's the bloody lager? My party's heading around. No booze, you see, Neil. Temper's free. Yeah! I'm very sober! I'm bored! Oh, wait, I know.
Let's break away. Let's break away.
Let's break away. Let's break away.
Let's break away.
Let's break away.
Let's break away.
Let's break away.
Let's break away. Oliver's musical, thinks she's very clever. Says the teacher manager, that's the best joke ever. When the orders us about with the greatest folly, we just wish we know Noel. Goes on rolling.
Thomas, Duck, and Percy.
No, shut up!
Faster, faster, as fast as you want.
Back from your adventure so soon? Scooby Dofus, 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 Scooby Dofus. What the fuck? Zipper, 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 zipper. Would you like to have a suckle of my zipper, zipper, zipper? Zipper.
Nice David, nice David, nice David, nice David, nice David, nice David. Nice David. Nice David. Nice David, nice David, nice David, nice David. Nice David.
There's no engine, and we can only go where we're shouted the trucks. You're in the wrong place, not a
Boy!
I wish to try on the...
Serves you right, Giggle.
truck.
You're always barging in and moaning.
Dynamite, 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 dynamite.
dynamite, 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 dynamite. Dynamite, 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 dynamite. Dynamite, dynamite.
Oh no!
Dynamite, dynamite. Dynamite, dynamite, dynamite.
Nice in, nice in, nice in, nice in. Nice in, nice in.
Scooby Dofus, Scooby Dofus. Scooby Dofus.
Nice in, nice in.
Zipper, zipper, zipper.
Good afternoon, good afternoon. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Scooby Dofus.
Good afternoon, good afternoon.
Poor Bill, he works his suffix well, then his twin gets brand new buffers.
Nice in, nice in, nice in, nice in, nice in.
Steady engine, clickety-clack, don't come back, ha 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 ha. Dynamite, 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 dynamite. Zipper, zipper.
Stop!
Surprise, surprise, catch it again.
Oh no! No! What the fuck?
Oh no, I knew I went out for something. Man, if your head was on strike, you couldn't even make it your nose. I'm starving you, b****. Seriously, say, kicker. Oh, why did you put the money where your mouth is and go to the shops yourself? Yes, because I don't want my boy to run. No, Vicky, no, it's a bummer. Summer is a bummer. Oh, God, man, you're such a killjoy, aren't you? Hey, everyone, I bet I know what Neil likes in public lavatories. Look out, Killjoy was here. Oh, yeah, that's a really good idea. Yeah, let's all bring Neil down. Yeah, that'd relieve the boredom, would it? Okay. Yeah, you ugly po-faced git. Your turn, Michael. Thanks, Bib. Oh, that was ugly, smelly and boring, and he's standing in front of me called Neil. Neil, perfectly correct. You really hate me, don't you? Yeah. Yes, we do, Neil. That is when we can remember who you are. See you, Richie. First things first, where's your sit-up? I've got a turtle head broken in. Hey, it. You can't it. Yep. Look, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, exhibit A. Number 2, would you please back up? Unzippy long stockings. I keep when a problem comes along. You, my bit. Good. File, would you please do I below I? Nipa yoto. Subtitle. Beat. I'm just trying to... Would you like to have a suckle of my zipper? I want it. Sorry? You're like a child. Talking, if you just one time.